This Swiftblock Wislide is a game changer. 6 reasons. Gameplay extravaganza. 1. First up, we're talking game modes. Not 1, not 2, but 3 mind-bending challenges. Klotski, 8 puzzle, and 15 puzzle. It's like having a gaming carnival in your hands. 2. Press that green button, select your level, arrange the pieces, and boom, the timer starts. Feeling stuck? Hit the green button again for a dash of AI magic. Your gaming wizard is always on standby. 3. Global domination. Wislide isn't just a solo mission. Switch between offline and online modes, challenge friends globally, and show off your skills. 4. Unboxing thrills. Oh, did I mention the unboxing experience? It's legendary. 2 boxes, one for the Wislide and its pieces, and another with all the extra. Manual, charging cable, extra Klotski pieces, and a killer storage bag. 5. Gaming on the go. Wislide isn't just a gaming beast, it's a portable powerhouse. With 15 hours of battery life on just a 2-hour charge, it's your gaming companion for the long haul. Toss it in your bag and you're ready for a gaming adventure anywhere. 6. The ultimate score. Now for the grand finale. Despite a few wobbles and minor hiccups, Wislide scores a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's a must-have for puzzle enthusiasts craving a blend of innovation and challenge. Closing excitement. That's it for today's Cube adventure. If you're as hyped as I am, give this video a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more Cube-tastic exploration. Until next time, keep those cubes turning.